The algorithm told me that I should make a video called Why Men Should Do Yoga. So, okay, I'm going to do it, but not in the way that you think. I'm not going to give you a list of the benefits that you've already heard 1,000 times. No flexibility, no core strength, no nervous system reset or optimization, nothing performance driven. And if you click this video hoping for science-backed reasons with charts and citations, you're in the wrong place. Instead, I'm going to give you the real reasons that you, as a man, should do yoga. Not the bragging reasons, not the Instagram reasons, nothing superficial. That only pushes more people away from the practice in the long run. I want to give you the honest reasons, and here's why. Because something really strange is happening right now with masculinity. Most men I know are stuck between two opposing stories. I'm fine, I don't need help, and I have no idea who I'm supposed to be anymore. The culture, it's changed and it's swung hard from toughness and rigidity to softness and tenderness, and then straight into confusion. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. Yoga doesn't fix that, but it does shine a bright fucking light onto it. And that's why this list exists. So here it is. Here are 10 non-superficial reasons why you, as a man, should do yoga. Number 1, Jean-Claude Van Damme. First of all, and what goes without needing to say, there's nothing more masculine, nothing more cool than Jean-Claude Van Damme. And yes, you know exactly the move which I'm talking about. The splits. If that man can do it, there's no better reason that you too should do yoga. But all joking aside, Jean-Claude Van Damme is an actor. He's a symbol of performance. Most men grow up thinking masculinity was something like that, a thing that you perform, the badass with big muscles. Yoga is the opposite. There's nothing to perform, nothing to prove, and not performing is a really good thing for most men. Number 2 is humility. Yoga will humble you fast. You walk in thinking you're strong, like strength can allow you to do anything. And then a woman half your size casually floats into a pose that looks like it would be medically prohibited in your body.
I don't want you to break your neck. So
What's up?
just relax.
My legs.
And that's the moment that you learn strength does not equal control. And strength's not useful without control. We were raised to think that confidence is never showing weakness or vulnerability. Yoga says that confidence is knowing where you're weak, knowing where you don't have the control. And humility comes from this. Humility, it's a superpower, and most men I know can benefit a lot from a little bit of humility. Number 3, estrogen. Let's talk about estrogen. Because women are powerful, and it's good to be in their presence, especially when they outnumber you. Something changes when you spend an hour in a room where nobody's trying to dominate anything or beat you at something. Your jaw unclenches, your shoulders drop, your nervous system stops guarding the perimeter, looking around for threats. For decades, we thought masculinity meant protection at all costs, emotionally, physically, mentally. Yoga gives men a place where their defense system can turn off, at least for an hour. And that is a breath of fresh air. 4, bad choices. Yoga is basically rehab for men. Physically, emotionally, historically. Every dumb thing that you've ever done. Skateboard injuries, jumping off of a roof that was a little too high, climbing things that you shouldn't have, sports you were not warmed up for or probably shouldn't have been playing in the first place. Yoga doesn't judge you. It just points to all of our dumb decisions that we've made in our life and reminds us to do better because there's consequences to our actions. Masculinity taught us that no pain, no gain, that pain is strength. Yoga reveals pain can also be avoidance. Number 5, no gadgets. Men love gadgets. Golf, golf clubs. Climbing, harnesses. Cycling, NASA-grade engineering. Camping, an REI receipt longer than the Old Testament. Yoga requires none of this. A floor and that's it. No upgrades, no accessories, no carbon fiber, just you and your body and a room full of people who don't give a shit about how cool your gear is. Masculinity, for whatever reason, taught us that our identity lives in what we own. But yoga removes all the props. Number 6, you can't win. This is the most confusing part for the male brain. There is no scoreboard, there's no metric, there's no record, there's no medal, there's no black belt. You don't even get acknowledged. You just stop. Men were raised to believe effort should lead to victory. Yoga says effort leads to nothing, and somehow that's also victory. Number 7, you're not allowed to talk. Another shocker, you don't have to talk. No advice, no stories, no coaching, no explaining. And suddenly you realize how exhausting it is to always be on. Masculinity told men that words and advice equal our identity. Yoga replaces words with just breathing. And that, the opportunity to not talk, is such a good thing.
Don't ever, for any reason, do anything to anyone for any reason, ever, no matter what, no matter where or who you were with.
Number 8, no one is impressed. This is important. No one is watching. No one is impressed. No one cares. You wobble, nothing happens. You fall, nothing happens. You rest, still nothing happens. And the relief in knowing that nothing happens is enormous. Masculinity's taught us that our value equals how well we perform. Yoga teaches us that value is just about showing up and nothing more. Number 9, you stop trying to fix things. Just for a moment, you're not optimizing anything. You're not solving any problems. You're not trying to improve. You're not upgrading. Your body isn't some project. Your posture, it isn't a flaw. Your weaknesses, let them be there. Your breath, it's not a strategy. You just do the pose. That's it, and you feel what happens and you move on. Masculinity told men discomfort requires fixing. Yoga shows that discomfort is instead just something to feel. And most men can spend a little bit more time feeling. And lastly, number 10, you learn to follow instructions. Men, historically, are terrible at following instructions. We skim, we assume, we start at step number 3 or 4. Yoga gives slow, clear, specific cues that you follow. And the instinct is still there to improvise. Like, yeah, I know, I get it. Let me figure it out. But you don't. And then you end up like IKEA furniture, sideways, incomplete, or with 3 screws left over. Masculinity taught us that leadership is knowing everything. Yoga teaches us that listening is knowing even more. Here's the thing. You don't need a reason to do yoga. You don't need to justify it. You don't need to explain it. And you definitely don't need to win at it. You can just do it. Not to fix yourself, not to improve anything, not to become a better man, but to spend time in your body without the weight of who you think you're supposed to be. And honestly, that might be the most masculine thing of all. Not performing, not dominating, not controlling, not achieving, not proving, just being. Which is what masculinity looked like before the pendulum swung in either direction, and what it might look like again. So I hope you enjoy this list of the 10 reasons why you, as a man, should do yoga. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me, and stick around for the next one. Again, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Oh, I have one more thing, and if you're still here and you're still listening, you are exactly the person I want to share this with. This summer, from June 22nd to June 28th, I'm going to be leading a retreat down in Costa Rica, in Playa Grande. I've been leading these retreats for the past 13 years or something like that. They almost always sell out. So I want to extend out this invitation now early. All the details are going to be in the link in the video description. And I really hope that you can make it. Again, thanks for being here. I really appreciate your support.